Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mo Garage. Today we will show you how to replace battery and diagnose a battery voltage. So this car, we just got it and it stopped starting. Don't worry about we're gonna replace that. So it stopped starting, so we got a new battery. We charged it overnight and still no juice. So this is how you test the battery voltage. Voltmeter, you set it to DC. This is 20 volt DC. You should get at least 12.4, 12.3 through 12.4. We're showing 8.17, so battery's not holding charge. I'll show you how to replace it. So this particular car is a Lexus RX 400H. H stands for hybrid. This is the auxiliary battery, the 12 volt. The procedure is the same for most cars, for all cars. There's usually a battery hold down and two terminals. So first we take the battery hold down bracket off. Yeah, if your car has this cover, you want to remove the cover first. This was here, so I'd remove that. $10mm socket. Take the battery hold down bracket off. Then next you want to remove the negative terminal of the battery. Just slide this out. Then the positive terminal of the battery, usually indicated by a red cover or red cable. There's also indicator of the terminal, usually somewhere over here. It says positive, POS, and negative, NEG. battery out. So here's the replacement battery. Make sure you get the correct spec, the cold cranking amp for your vehicle. So we'll take this and put it back over here. Like so. So there's this tool that you can clean the terminal. Or you can use any wire brush. This got a perfect size. Looks clean. Then the negative terminal. Then I also bought this kit that you put on the terminal, and also some anti-corrosion lubrication. It says coat the washers with grease. Do not coat the posts or cable ends with grease. Okay. We'll put green for negative and red for positive. Then put the terminal back on the post. Check for tightness. At this point, I'm going to put the bracket back. Okay, then put the negative terminal back. Make sure it's not moving, and you should be good. Put the cover back on, positive terminal. Then you can test the car. Let's check the voltage on a brand new battery. 12.45. It's good. Put the cover back on. I need to get new clips for these. Let's test the car. Okay, good sign. Crank it on. Ready to go. So this is a hybrid system. It doesn't make any sound. Okay, you hear the engine just kicked on. We're good. That's how you change a battery on your car. See you in the next video.